I was kindly gifted this 5.7-liter large glass salad bowl set, and the moment I unboxed it, I was super impressed with the quality and design of the bowl. It arrived perfectly packaged with no chips or cracks, and the ultra-thick crystal clear glass looks absolutely stunning on my table. This bowl feels both luxurious and sturdy, making it perfect for family meals, entertaining, or even as a centerpiece. This bowl is huge, which makes it perfect for my family's weekly chicken salad. It holds so much without anything spilling over, and it makes serving a breeze. But it's not just for salads. You can also use it for fruit, pasta, desserts, and even punch. It also doubles beautifully as a centerpiece. Here I've added holiday ornaments, and it instantly transforms the table's look. One of my favorite features has to be the acacia wood lid. Not only does it seal tightly with the silicone ring to keep food fresh, but it also transforms into a gorgeous charcuterie or cheese board. The set also includes a 3-piece acacia wood utensil set, a fork, a spoon, and precision tongs. The fork and spoon are perfect for leafy greens or pasta, while the tongs work beautifully for charcuterie, fruit, or desserts. Each piece feels sturdy and elegant, combining style and function effortlessly. Whether I'm serving dinner for my family or hosting a special gathering, this bowl really elevates the meal. It's stylish, versatile, and functional, the kind of kitchen piece that I know I'll reach for again and again. This large glass salad bowl is as beautiful as it is practical, and it's perfect for everyday use or entertaining alike.